Solve the equation sine 2 theta is equal to minus root 3 over 2, solving for theta being between 0 and 360 degrees. So we've got sine 2 theta is equal to minus root 3 over 2. Now if we're solving for theta between 0 and 360, then for 2 theta we need to look for angles between 0 and 720. First of all, do sine to the minus 1 of root 3 over 2. And that will give you 60 degrees. And then if you do your South Asian Tennis Club, we want to know where sine is negative. Sine is negative in the third and the fourth quadrants. So we draw an angle in those quadrants with the x-axis. So we've got 60 degrees there and 60 degrees there. And we need to go around the circle twice. So 2 theta will be this angle here, so that will be 180 plus 60, and this one minus this one, which is 360 minus 60, and then going around for another time, that will be 540, that's 360 plus 180, plus 60, and then 720 minus 60. Simplifying each of these, we get 240, 300, 600, and then 660. Well, that's 2 theta. We want to find theta. So to find theta, we divide each of those by 2. So we get theta is 120, 150, 300, and 330 degrees. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a trigonometric equation when you have a double angle. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.